Hello everybody. Okay, let's jump right into it, guys. Okay, how you connect a mixer or the speakers onto the mixer, onto the keyboard. All right, it's very simple, guys. I'm going to try to be very simple. I'm going to explain this tutorial with simplicity for those of you out there like me. I went to a tutorial in YouTube. This young man has a whole bunch of videos, and I love the way he explained it. Very simple. So I thought I'll put this out there for you guys. All right, very simple, step by step. Stay tuned. Watch the entire video. It's not going to take long. I'll show you how to connect the mixer with the speakers onto your keyboard. All right. First things first. Now, the mixer. This is the keyboard. It's a Casio WK110. You connect the piano, the keyboard, onto the outlet. Make sure everything is off, including the keyboard. Now, this connector here is for the mixer. Put it right there, the button right next to the switch of the keyboard. Put it in, the other end. Going to put it right there onto the mixer, line 1. Okay. Now, that being said, we're going to connect the audio. Cables look like this. All right, 2 ends. It's going to go onto the mixer. I'll show it to you later. This is going to go onto the speaker. Speakers look like this. Each speaker is already plugged in onto the outlet. All right, they're off. I'm going to turn them off. Make sure they're off. You don't want to blow up the speakers. Now, make sure this end is hooked up to this here. Add it on. It's an add-on right there. Okay, first speaker. It's a very high quality speakers, guys. The other 2 ends, grab the mixer. I'm gonna put it right here. Which says input line. Which says input line has a left and right. Left doesn't matter which one. So you get 2 of, put them all the way in. You're going to do the same thing with the other speaker. Okay, I'm not going to show it to you because it's a repetition. Same thing. Same way I explained. You're going to connect the other speaker the same way you connect this one. That's one. Then the second speaker, it's like a repetition, guys, but it's going to be right next to each other. Output, in, in. Now you got both speakers connected onto the mixer, right? What's next? You're going to connect your mixer, plug it in. Let me see if I can get this right. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, buddy. All right. This is the end to connect the mixer. Has a little button there. You see, it's already on. It's lit. The light went on. Now, lastly, you're going to, let me place this right here, guys, so I can give you the speakers, right? Make sure they're on. This is on. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. Both speakers are on. All right, let's try in the keyboard. I'm going to turn on my keyboard. There we go, guys. Volume. Let me see what. Oops, it's too loud. All right. it's done. All right, simple as that, guys. I did it with very simplicity, so you guys have an idea. And if you notice, I never ask you to subscribe or to give us a like until you watch the video until the end. Most of these outlets do that, not me. But if you think that this video was valuable to you and you learned something, it's fair to say that I will not expect nothing from you guys, but give us a like and share this video, or or subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of stuff there that you will be delighted to watch. A whole bunch of videos, educational videos, inspirational videos, videos about doggies, and I thought I'll put this out there for you guys. We love you. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching Rafael with the Moving On podcast show. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Thank you.